Hi, my name is Ashesi Owusu.
Christiana Fiebo.
Baba Olinzwoham.
Palala, sorry.
I'm part of the Ashesi class of 2025.
A business administration student.
Management Information Systems major.
And I majored in computer science.
The 4 years journey here has been amazing. It has been challenging, and it has also forced me to come out of my comfort zone.
So Ashesi being a land of several opportunities, I got the chance to take up a few of them.
But I'd say the one that left the biggest impact on me was study abroad. I had the opportunity to go to Connecticut College for a whole semester, and it was just a wonderful and transformative experience for me.
Getting the opportunity to become the academic committee chairperson of the student council, and also getting the chance to go on a study abroad program in France, in Lyon specifically, was also a great one.
I had the opportunity to go to Goldman Sachs for their Spring Insights program. I also had an opportunity to study abroad at Ashesi School of Engineering in France, where I met people from various backgrounds, from different cultures, and also tried French cuisine.
I was part of the first cohort of Ashesi students to conduct the first ever Ashesi partnered research on the no-birth syndrome in Ghanaian tertiary hospitals. I also got the chance to present my thesis on the political economy of climate finance in Ghana at the National Conference for Undergraduate Research in Pittsburgh in the United States.
Coming to Ashesi as an introvert, I was very concerned about how to make good use of the opportunities that were available. But talking to staff, faculty, and other students, they helped me to navigate this challenge and make good use of the opportunities that came my way.
These opportunities were accessible to me because Ashesi has adequately prepared me to meet them.
Ashesi created a very innovative environment where students are encouraged to think outside of the box and make the best of the opportunities, whether in pairs, groups, or as an individual. You're always motivated by everyone around you.
Ashesi has really given me the opportunity to build capacity. The entire process has taught me to be better and really learn a lot inside and outside of the classroom. In addition to that, Ashesi has taught me to acknowledge all aspects of life and be a holistic individual, not focusing on just your technical know-how, but also on your soft skills and your contribution to community in general.
So the foundation that Ashesi has provided me has given me the leverage to be able to effectively take advantage of these opportunities for my personal development and growth.